Alright, come with me. This is the lounge.
It's from your Bitcoin wallet. Damn, that's like a 13K 276. Say hi to the camera, guys. Hey.
ቪውን እንደምታዩት ነው በጣም ያምራል አዲስ አቆም ነው ሰላም ዩቲዩብ እንዴት ናችሁ ኤርሚ ቢግ ብሮ ኢዝ ባክ ዛሬ እንግዲህ ያለውት ከሁለት ወጣት ባለሀብቶች ጋር ነው they are rich in England they are just 22 years old I think 23 now
23 we just turned 23 my name is Esteban
yeah
this is Lucas my twin brother and we live in Colchester England Essex Ezekiel knows melhor. This is our best friend Hermes. We've known each other for 5 years. We went college together.
Yeah. Now, wait, I'm going to speak by my own words here. አሁን እነዚህ ማለት ነው 23 አመታቸው ነው ሞተር ባይክ አላቸው like ምንድነው ይሄ ፈጣን ሞተር ባይክ አላ መኪና አላቸው የራሳቸው ቤት አላቸውና ጂጂቱ ፋይተርም ናቸው so they go some Middle East as well so they're making good money they're fighters and yeah I mean England ውስጥ ስትኖሩ እንደዚህ ነው like ጥሩ የሆነ you know የስራ ሜንታሊቲ ካላችሁና you know if you are like real hustlers and who can fight and shit bro you can make good money like them እና ቤታቸውን አሳያችኋለሁ ዛሬ አብረን እንውላለን ቢች ዳር እንሄዳለን ምናምን subscribe አድርጉና stay tuned with us በደንብ ፈታ እንላለን አንድ ላይ so tell them to subscribe bro
subscribe to his channel this man will help you make lots of money if you decide to come to England.
Tell him, bro. What?
His strong mindset, his strong body, good heart. Life in this country will take you to places you've never been before.
That's right. Mashallah, I'm in for that. So subscribe, guys. Video enjoy you message.
All right, come with me. This is the lounge. This is where we share the place, but most people work hard, so they're never here. The best kitchen in the world. Come with me, Aramis.
Okay.
We need to make sure we keep the kitchen always nice and clean because everyone here likes cooking so you don't want to come to cook your food and end up having to clean after. We share the fridge. This is the bathroom.
So nice person. It looks good bro, it looks good.
Yeah, it looks alright. So you must be wondering where I sleep because we've got 3 bedrooms upstairs. I'll show you where I actually live. So come with me.
Okay, bro.
So this is my garden and what my brother and I did was we built this garden room here.
Wait, let me explain this for them.
Yeah.
So guys እነዚህ መንታውታስ ባላፍት ማለት ነው እዚህ ጋር ቤት አላችኋል ይሄንን ቤት እዚህ ጋር የምትሉት ያከራዩትና እነሱ ግን የሚተኙት እዚህ ነው አይነን ከጋርደናቸው ነው የሰሩት ካሜራ አለው በጣም ፕሮቴክትድ የተደረገ ካቤ ነው ማለት ነው like ትንሽዬ ቤት እዚህ ውስጥ እየተኙ ፕሮዳክሽን ሴቭ ማድረግ ይችላሉ ማለት ነው bro continue ነው
Yeah, so we've got enough space for my brother and I to sleep there and we can save lots of money.
Okay, yeah, calm, let's go.
Let's go, G.
So, guys, እንደምታዩት ቢቹ በጣም ያምራል በጣም ከ10 የሆነ ቢች ነው እና መዋኘት ብንችልና ገብተን ብንዋኝ በጣም ደስ ይለኝ ነበር ግን ያው ዛሬ አይዋኝም ወይዘሩ ትንሽ ፀሐዩ ለዋና የሚመች አይነት አይደለም so just walk እናረጋለን ከጀለሶች ጋር እንጫወታለን ምናምን ከዛ ምሳችንን በልተን ያው እኔም ወደ ሀገሬ እመለሳለሁ ምናምን so ሰብስክራይብ አድርጉ ዋናው ነገር እናንተ ሰብስክራይብ ማድረጋችሁ ነው እኔን ሰፖርት ማድረግ አለባችሁ ይሄንን ቪዲዮ ደግሞ ከተመቻችሁ ሼር አድርጉ ላይክ አድርጉ ያ በደንብ ቪዲዮውን ኢንጆይ አድርጉት ይመቻች አሁን እንግዲህ ቢቹ አጠገብ ነው ያለነው ቢቹ ላይ ያለ ብሪጅ ነገር ነው ብቻ ቁመናል ወሌ ነው ያለነው አሁን ወሌን እና ወይ ነው ላሳያችሁ ተከተሉኝ ይሄንን ስታዩት ማለት ነው በጣም ነው የሚያምረው እግዚአብሔርን ወደዚህ ያለው ቤልጂየም ፈረንሳይ ምናምን ነው ይመስለኛል ሳስበው ማለት ነውና ያ በጣም ያምራል እዩ ከሲዩ የሚወጣው እንትን አለ ብሪዝ አለ like it's a fresh air when you smell it በጣም በቃ oh my god enjoy ታረጉታላችሁ በቃ ፊል ታረጉታላችሁ እና በጣም ደስ ይላል bro are you enjoying it
So nice, bro.
it looks good isn't it
Yeah, it's so fresh.
It's so fresh.
I can smell the sea, I can smell the fish.
Yeah.
So if you want to go to France, you just go swimming here, yeah? No way.
Yeah, that way, bro. You
Yeah,
going to
that way.
France. Oh man, I loving it. It's beautiful. አስቡት በቃ እዚህ መጣችሁ ካፕል ሆናችሁ ምናምን you know enjoy ታረጉታላችሁ. Do you get me? So what's the name of this city, bro? Clockton-on-Sea. Yeah, so Clockton-on-Sea ይባላል ለለንደን አንድ ሰዓት ነው የሚርቀው. So yeah, መጣችሁ እዚህ gonna have fun with your friends, you know, with your girlfriend, with your family, with your kids. So yeah, make sure you come in here, bro.
So guys, as Hermes have mentioned before, my brother and I are jiu-jitsu fighters.
Yeah,
and
they can
I'm
fight.
going to be showing you a very useful technique.
Yeah.
So if you get involved in a street fight, which is likely to happen here, right, so
Sure.
if you come here, so what you're going to do is you're going to keep a good distance, yeah?
Yeah.
And once he puts his hands up, put your hand up,
Yeah.
you're going to control his wrist.
Okay.
And you're going to reach for his back here.
Okay.
Once you get good back control,
Oh my god. I'm feeling
you
it.
can just
What the fuck?
take him down. And
Don't try this at home. Don't try this at home. No.
so guys, we're here playing darts.
Yeah.
Let's see who's gonna be the winner.
Okay.
So far, Hermes is beating me. Lucas is not doing so well. Oh wow, he did quite well now.
I think he scored like 370. መሀል ላይ ነው የምከታት ቀይዋ አለቻ መሀል ላይ let's see almost ትንሽ ነገር መሀል ላይ ነው ማስገባት አሁን መሀል ኤርሚያስ ይላል እዩት ጋይስ እግዚአብሔር መሀል ልትነቅ መሀል ላይ ገባው ኤርሚያስ Oh, that's good. Wow.
Okay, I'm gonna be showing you this technique. So all I'm gonna do when you have your hands up, you come to punch me.
Yeah.
I'm gonna control your wrist.
Okay.
I'm gonna shoot a single leg.
What the fuck?
And then all I have to do is to apply pressure with my shoulder
Yeah.
like this. And then I take you down.
Yeah.
And I start to punch him. Like
Fuck. Yeah.
Yeah.
Wow, that's quick.
Yeah.
Oh my god. Don't do this at home, bro.
Yeah. If you wanna learn how to fight, subscribe to my channel, yeah?
So guys, እነዚህ መንታዎቹ ማለት ነው these twins የተለያዩ ስራዎችን የሚሰሩት አንድ ስራ ብቻ አይደለም የሚሰሩት they have like too many kind of works right
Yeah.
so tell them
In the last 2 weeks,
show me how much you have
I'll
been
show you
making
how much I made in the last 2 weeks. So this is my shop
yeah
selling.
wow oh you just
This is how much I've made in the last 2 weeks. And
Okay.
also, let me show you my profile on eBay. It's called Twins Mods. I have sold over 650 items. sold.
wow you've been making a lot of money
Yeah.
oh you must
So,
be rich
I'm gonna show you my TikTok shop
oh
now.
yeah what about you I mean show me your
I've been buying Bitcoin since I was 22. I'll show you my Bitcoin wallet.
yeah show me your Bitcoin wallet damn that's like a 13k 276
Yeah.
wow that
So,
bro you're making money
so guys, you come to this country, you cannot have only one source of income. You
Yeah.
must have at least 3 or 4. So you're gonna buy Bitcoin, you're gonna have an online business, you're gonna get a job, because the job will keep you going.
Yeah.
And then you're gonna try to get a house and rent out the rooms. 4 sources of income.
wow that's amazing bro that's amazing
Yeah.
I wish you well guys yeah stay rich guys አሳችን በቺፕስ ደርሷል በቺፕስ ግን የኔ አልመጣም እስካሁን እየጠበቅኩ ነው በጣም ነው የሚያምሩ ስታዩት በጣም ያምራል እና ያ fish and chips is good የኔ ይመጣል የኔንም አንድ ላይ እንበለዋለን ማለት ነው እንብላ ይመቻችሁ
Very good.
very good isn't it?
It's amazing.
wow okay enjoy bro
Saúde.
what does that mean
Cheers.
cheers. Okay, cheers, bro.
Yummy.
Yummy. የኔ መጥቷል እና ምን እንደሚመስል እዩት። የነሱ በጣም ያምራል። የኔ ለምን እንደሆነ አላውቅም። የሚያስጠላ ነገር ነው።
So guys, የዛሬ ቆይቴ in Closton, what's the name of your city? Yeah, in Closton Sea. አሪፍ ነበር። በጣም ተመችቶኛል። ጓደኞቼ የሚገርሙ ናቸው። በደንብ አዝናንተውኛል ምናምን ፏፈሽ ብያለሁ። ያው እንግዲህ ደግሞ በሌላ ቪዲዮ እንገናኛለን። አሪፍ በሆነ ቪዲዮ ማለት ነው። So guys, do you want to say something?
It's been lovely talking to you all. I look forward to coming back here to this channel
and
showing you all my achievements. Because in the next 5 years, I will achieve so much things in life, and I will show everything here.
And I'm coming to your country to bring you a lot of things.
Yeah.
If this video hits 100k views,
and for all the Ethiopian women, we're coming for you.
They're coming for you. So subscribe, stay tuned. ይመቻችሁ። ሰላም ሁኑልኝ።